Natural disasters. Do you know what this is? Volcanic eruption. A volcano bursts out hot lava, ash, and gases, making a lot of noise and mess. Do you know what this is? Tornado. A spinning column of air touches the ground and can pick up and throw things around. Do you know what this is? Hurricane. A big, strong storm with heavy rain and strong winds that can cause flooding. Do you know what this is? Tsunami. Huge ocean waves crash onto the land after an earthquake in the sea. Do you know what this is? Avalanche. Snow, ice, and rocks slide down a mountain, burying everything below. Do you know what this is? Wildfire. A fire that spreads quickly through forests or grasslands, burning everything in its way. Do you know what this is? Earthquake. The ground shakes a lot, and buildings might wobble or fall down. Do you know what this is? Flood. Water covers places where it's usually dry, like streets and homes, from heavy rain. Do you know what this is? Typhoon. A very strong storm in the western Pacific Ocean, similar to a hurricane. Do you know what this is? Sandstorm. Wind lifts sand into the air, causing low visibility and making it hard to breathe. Do you know what this is? Blizzard. A very strong snowstorm with heavy snow and strong winds that make it hard to see. Do you know what this is? Heat wave. A period of extremely hot weather that can be very uncomfortable and dangerous. Do you know what this is? Landslide. Rocks and earth slide down a slope, often after heavy rain or an earthquake. Do you know what this is? Tidal wave. Large waves caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and sun. Do you know what this is? Meteorite impact. A space rock crashes into Earth, creating a crater and causing damage. Do you know what this is? Sinkhole. A hole suddenly opens up in the ground, swallowing anything above it. Do you know what this is? Gale. Strong winds up to 40 knots that can cause damage, especially near coastlines. Do you know what this is? Permafrost thaw. Melting of permanently frozen ground, which can cause the land to sink and create other hazards. Do you know what this is? Erosion. The gradual wearing away of soil and rock by wind or water, which can change the shape of the land. Do you know what this is? Firestorm. A huge fire that spreads quickly and is very hard to control. Do you know what this is? Monsoon. Heavy rains that come at a certain time of year, causing lots of rain and sometimes floods. Do you know what this is? Thunderstorm. A storm with lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and sometimes hail. Do you know what this is? Glacier melting. Big chunks of ice melt and break off into the ocean, which can raise sea levels. Do you know what this is? El Niño. A weather pattern that makes the ocean warmer and causes unusual weather. Do you know what this is? La Nina. The opposite of El Niño, causing cooler ocean temperatures and different weather patterns. Do you know what this is? Spring flood. Rivers overflow when snow melts quickly in the spring, causing floods. Do you know what this is? Cold snap. A sudden and short period of very cold weather. Do you know what this is? Snowstorm. A heavy fall of snow with strong winds that make it hard to see and move around. Do you know what this is? Lightning strike. When lightning hits something on the ground, like a tree or building, and can cause damage or fire. Did you enjoy learning about these natural disasters? Weather. Do you know what this is? This is the sun. What do you see in the sky? I see a cloud. What falls from the sky? Rain falls from the sky. What do you feel on a windy day? I feel the wind. What do you see when it's stormy? I see lightning. What do you use in rain? I use an umbrella. What falls from the sky in winter? Snow falls from the sky. What do you see after rain? I see a rainbow. What do you wear when it's hot? I wear a hat. What do you wear when it's cold? I wear a scarf. What makes it hard to see? Fog makes it hard to see. What falls from the sky in a storm? Hail falls from the sky. What can you build with snow? I can make a snowman. What forms on the ground after rain? A puddle forms on the ground. What makes the day warm? Sunshine makes the day bright and warm. What forms when water freezes? Ice forms when water freezes. What happens when the weather is very bad? A storm happens when the weather is bad. What do you wear on cold hands? I wear gloves. What do you wear on your feet in the rain? I wear boots. What do you wear when it's cold? I wear a coat. What do you wear for sunny days? I wear sunglasses. What tells us how hot or cold it is? A thermometer tells us how hot or cold it is. What's a snowstorm with strong wind called? It's called a blizzard. Where do you go to stay cool? I go to the shade. What falls from the sky in winter? A snowflake falls from the sky. What spins really fast during a storm? A tornado spins really fast. What do we call the sky with many clouds? It's called cloudy. What is a big storm called? It's called a hurricane. What do you wear to see in snow? I wear goggles. Where do you go to enjoy the sun and sand? I go to the beach. What do you wear on your hands in the snow? I wear mittens. What rises and falls at the beach? The tide rises and falls. What do you feel on a cool day? I feel a breeze. What forms on the grass in the morning? Dew forms on the grass. What is rain and dirt mixed? Mud is made when rain mixes with dirt. What do you see when the sun goes down? I see a sunset. What is very hot weather called? It's called a heat wave. What is light fog called? It's called mist. What do you call a very windy day? It's called a blustery day. What falls from the sky during rain? A raindrop falls from the sky. What happens with too much rain? A flood happens. What hangs from the roof when cold? An icicle hangs from the roof. What is a mix of rain and snow called? It's called sleet. What do you see before a storm? I see a storm cloud. What do you see when the sun comes up? I see a sunrise. What is a strong wind called? It's called a gale. What is a spinning storm called? It's called a cyclone. What do you feel when it's damp? I feel humidity. What is it called when the sky is cloudy? It's called overcast. What forms when snow piles up in one place? A snowdrift forms. Did you enjoy learning about these weather-related vocabulary? Fruit's name. Do you know who I am? I am grape. Do you recognize me? I am pineapple. Do I look familiar to you? I am mango. Have you seen me before? I am strawberry. Do you know who I am? I am orange. Do you recognize me? I am banana. Do I look familiar to you? I am apple. Have you seen me before? I am watermelon. Do you know who I am? I am cherry. Do you recognize me? I am blueberry. Do I look familiar to you? I am kiwi. Have you seen me before? I am peach. Do you know who I am? I am plum. Do you recognize me? I am raspberry. Do I look familiar to you? I am pear. Have you seen me before? I am lemon. Do you know who I am? I am lime. Do you recognize me? I am coconut. Do I look familiar to you? I am pomegranate. Have you seen me before? I am papaya. Do you know who I am? I am guava. Do you recognize me? I am fig. Do I look familiar to you? I am lychee. Have you seen me before? I am durian. Do you know who I am? I am passion fruit. Do you recognize me? I I am dragon fruit. Do I look familiar to you? I am star fruit. Have you seen me before? I am avocado. Do you know who I am? I am olive. Do you recognize me? I am honeydew. Do I look familiar to you? I am grapefruit. Have you seen me before? I am tangerine. Do you know who I am? I am clementine. Do you recognize me? I am apricot. Do I look familiar to you? I am nectarine. Have you seen me before? I am persimmon. Do you know who I am? I am cranberry. Do you recognize me? I am blackcurrant. Do I look familiar to you? I am mulberry. Have you seen me before? I am jackfruit. Do you know who I am? I am rambutan. Do you recognize me? I am mangosteen. Do I look familiar to you? I am sapodilla. Have you seen me before? I am gooseberry. Do you know who I am? I am quince. Do you recognize me? I am custard apple. Do I look familiar to you? I am soursop. Have you seen me before? I am jujube. Did you enjoy learning about these fruit names? Musical instruments. Do you know who I am? I am piano. Do you recognize me? I am guitar. Do I look familiar to you? I am violin. Have you seen me before? I am drum. Do you know who I am? you recognize me? I am saxophone. Do I look familiar to you? I am trumpet. Have you seen me before? I am cello. Do you know who I am? I am clarinet. Do you recognize me? I am harmonica. Do I look familiar to you? I am bass guitar. Have you seen me before? I am electric guitar. Do you know who I am? I am trombone. Do you recognize me? I am tuba. Do I look familiar to you? I am oboe. Have you seen me before? I am accordion. Do you know who I am? I am banjo. Do you recognize me? I am mandolin. Do I look familiar to you? I am ukulele. Have you seen me before? I am harp. Do you know who I am? I am maracas. Do you recognize me? I am marimba. Do I look familiar to you? I am xylophone. Have you seen me before? I am piccolo. Do you know who I am? I am handpan. Do you recognize me? I am Bassoon. Do I look familiar to you? I am Snare Drum. Have you seen me before? I am Cymbals. Do you know who I am? I am Triangle. Do you recognize me? I am Glockenspiel. Do I look familiar to you? I am Tambourine. Have you seen me before? I am Gem. Did you enjoy learning about these musical instruments? Vegetables name. Do you know who I am? I am Carrot. Carrot. Do you recognize me? I am Tomato. Tomato. Do I look familiar to you? I am Potato. Potato. Have you seen me before? I am Broccoli. Broccoli. Do you know who I am? I am Cucumber. Cucumber. Do you recognize me? I am Corn. Corn. Do I look familiar to you? I am Peas. Peas. Have you seen me before? I am Lettuce. Lettuce. Do you know who I am? I am Bell Pepper. Bell Pepper. Do you recognize me? I am Onion. Onion. Do I look familiar to you? I am Spinach. Spinach. Have you seen me before? I am Green Beans. Green beans. Do you know who I am? am cauliflower. Cauliflower. Do you recognize me? I am sweet potato. Sweet potato. Do I look familiar to you? I am pumpkin. Pumpkin. Have you seen me before? I am zucchini. Zucchini. Do you know who I am? I am celery. Celery. Do you recognize me? I am mushroom. Mushroom. Do I look familiar to you? I am cabbage. Cabbage. Have you seen me before? I am garlic. Garlic. Do you know who I am? I am eggplant. Eggplant. Do you recognize me? I am asparagus. Asparagus. Do I look familiar to you? I am radish. Radish. Have you seen me before? I am beetroot. Beetroot. Do you know who I am? I am kale. Kale. Do you recognize me? I am Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Do I look familiar to you? I am leek. Leek. Have you seen me before? I am okra. Okra. Do you know who I am? I am parsnip. Parsnip. Do you recognize me? I am artichoke. Artichoke. Do I look familiar to you? I am fennel. Fennel. Have you seen me before? I am bok choy. Bok choy. Do you know who I am? I am Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Do you recognize me? I am collard greens. Collard greens. Do I look familiar to you? I am mustard greens. Mustard greens. Did you enjoy learning about these vegetables' name? Colors name. What color is this? This is red. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is blue. Which color do you see here? This is yellow. What do you call this color? This is green. What color is this? This is orange. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is purple. Which color do you see here? This is pink. What do you call this color? This is brown. What color is this? This is white. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is black. Which color do you see here? This is gray. What do you call this color? This is violet. What color is this? This is cyan. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is magenta. Which color do you see here? This is turquoise. What do you call this color? This is lime. What color is this? This is teal. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is indigo. Which color do you see here? This is peach. What do you call this color? This is olive. What color is this? This is maroon. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is navy. Which color do you see here? This is beige. What do you call this color? This is lavender. What color is this? This is coral. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is mint. Which color do you see here? This is amber. What do you call this color? This is aqua. What color is this? This is rose. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is chartreuse. Which color do you see here? This is crimson. What do you call this color? This is emerald. What color is this? This is fuchsia. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is ivory. Which color do you see here? This is khaki. What do you call this color? This is lilac. What color is this? This is mustard. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is periwinkle. Which color do you see here? This is ruby. What do you call this color? This is saffron. What color is this? This is scarlet. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is silver. Which color do you see here? This is tan. What do you call this color? This is tangerine. What color is this? This is vermilion. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is burgundy. Which color do you see here? This is cobalt. What do you call this color? This is cerulean. What color is this? This is gold. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is sapphire. Which color do you see here? This is bronze. What do you call this color? This is plum. What color is this? This is mahogany. Can you tell me the name of this color? This is pewter. Which color do you see here? This is azure. Did you enjoy enjoy learning about these colors' name? Nature names. What's the name of this place? This is a beach. Do you recognize this location? This is a forest. Can you tell me where this is? This is a mountain. Do you know what place this is? This is a lake. What's the name of this place? This is a river. Do you recognize this location? This is a waterfall. Can you tell me where this is? This is a desert. Do you know what place this is? This is an island. What's the name of this place? This is a meadow. Do you recognize this location? This is a valley. Can you tell me where this is? This is a canyon. Do you know what place this is? This is a jungle. What's the name of this place? This is a volcano. Do you recognize this location? This is a cliff. Can you tell me where this is? This is a glacier. Do you know what place this is? This is a cave. What's the name of this place? This is a swamp. Do you recognize this location? This is a bay. Can you tell me where this is? This is a pond. Do you know what place this is? This is a coast. What's the name of this place? This is a coral reef. Do you recognize this location? This is a tundra. Can you tell me where this is? This is a geyser. Do you know what place this is? This is a mangrove. What's the name of this place? This is a plateau. Do you recognize this location? This is a prairie. Can you tell me where this is? This is a lagoon. Do you know what place this is? This is an oasis. What's the name of this place? This is a fjord. Do you you recognize this location? This is a delta. Can you tell me where this is? This is an estuary. Do you know what place this is? This is a marsh. What's the name of this place? This is a dune. Do you recognize this location? This is a butte. Can you tell me where this is? This is a savanna. Do you know what place this is? This is a rainforest. What's the name of this place? This is an atoll. Do you recognize this location? This is a canal. Can you tell me where this is? This is a steppe. Do you know what place this is? This is a wetland. What's the name of this place? This is an archipelago. Do you recognize this location? This is a ravine. Can you tell me where this is? This is a basin. Do you know what place this is? This is a plain. What's the name of this place? This is a tarn. Do you recognize this location? This is a peninsula. Can you tell me where this is? This is a mesa. Do you know what place this is? This is floodplain. What's the name of this place? This is a grotto. Did you enjoy learning about these nature names? Building names. Do you know what place this is? This is a school. A fun place to learn and make friends. Do you recognize this place? This is a hospital, where doctors and nurses help us feel better. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a police station, where police officers keep us safe. Have you seen this place before? This is a fire station, where firefighters stay ready for emergencies. Do you know what place this is? This is a grocery store, where we buy food and yummy treats. Do you recognize this place? This is a bank, where people keep their money safe. place look familiar to you? This is a post office, where we send letters and packages. Have you seen this place before? This is a library. This is where you'll find all kinds of books and stories. Do you know what place this is? This is a playground. A fun place to run, jump, and play. Do you recognize this place? This is a park, where you can run, play, and enjoy nature. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a restaurant, where you can eat tasty meals with family. Have you seen this place before? This is a dentist's office. Dentists help keep our teeth shiny and clean. Do you know what place this is? This is a train station, where trains pick up and drop off passengers. Do you recognize this place? This is an airport, where airplanes take off and land. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a bus stop, where you wait to catch the bus. Have you seen this place before? This is a movie theater, where you watch fun movies on a big screen. Do you know what place this is? This is a zoo, a place where animals from all over the world live. Do you recognize this place? This is a farm, where animals and crops are raised. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a supermarket, bigger than a grocery store, with more things to buy. Have you seen this place before? This is a museum, a place full of exciting things to discover and explore. Do you know what place this is? This is a church, a place where people pray and gather. Do you recognize this place? This is a mosque, a special place for Muslims to pray. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a temple, a sacred place for worship and peace. Have you seen this place before? This is a gym, where people exercise and stay healthy. Do you know what place this is? This is a swimming pool, a place to splash around, swim, and have fun in the water. Do you recognize this place? This is a stadium, where you watch sports and cheer. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a fire department. A place where firefighters stay ready to help in any emergency. Have you seen this place before? This is a theater, where you watch plays and performances. Do you know what place this is? This is a pharmacy, where you get medicine when you're sick. Do you recognize this place? This is a barber shop, where you get your hair cut and styled. Do this place look familiar to you? This is a gas station, where cars fill up with fuel to keep going. Have you seen this place before? This is a pet store, a fun place to see and buy pets and pet supplies. Did you enjoy learning about these building names? Natural phenomena. Do you know who I am? I am a rainbow. I show many colors when sunlight passes through water droplets. Do you recognize me? I am a cloud. I float in the sky, made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Do I look familiar to you? I am a thunderstorm. I come with rain, thunder, and lightning. Have you seen me before? I am a solar eclipse. I happen when the moon blocks the sun, making it dark. Do you know who I am? I am a lunar eclipse. I happen when the Earth's shadow covers the moon. Do you recognize me? I am a meteor. I am a small rock from space burning up in the sky. Do I look familiar to you? I am a snowflake. I am a tiny ice crystal falling from the sky. Have you seen me before? I am sunshine. I bring light and warmth to your day. Do you know who I am? I am the wind. I am the air that moves and blows around you. Do you recognize me? I am a raindrop. I fall from clouds, watering the earth. Do I look familiar to you? I am hail. I am small ice balls that fall during storms. Have you seen me before? I am lightning. I am a bright flash of electricity in the sky. Do you know who I am? I am a tornado. I am a spinning column of air that touches the ground. Do you recognize me? I am fog. I am a thick cloud close to the ground, making it hard to see. Do I look familiar to you? I am dew. I form as tiny water droplets on grass in the morning. Have you seen me before? I am the 4 seasons. I am spring, summer, autumn, and winter, caused by the Earth's tilt and orbit. Do you know who I am? I'm a flower blooming. I am when flowers open up and grow, usually in spring. Do you recognize me? I am an aurora. I am colorful lights that dance in the sky near the poles. Do I look familiar to you? I am a hurricane. I am a large storm with strong winds and rain. Have you seen me before? I am a waterfall. I am water falling from a height. Do you know who I am? I am a wave. I am the movement of the sea surface. Do you recognize me? I am a volcano. I am a mountain that can erupt with lava and ash. Do I look familiar to you? I am an avalanche. I am a mass of snow and ice falling down a mountain. Have you seen me before? I am a wildfire. I am a large fire that spreads quickly. Do you know who I am? I am a geyser. I am a hot spring that shoots out steam and water. Do you recognize me? I am a sandstorm. I am strong winds that blow sand across deserts. Do I look familiar to you? I am a blizzard. I am a severe snowstorm with strong winds. Have you seen me before? I am a tsunami. I am giant waves caused by underwater earthquakes. Do you know who I am? I am frost. I am ice crystals forming on cold surfaces. Did you enjoy learning about these natural phenomena? Space. Do you know who this is? This is an astronaut. A person who travels to space to explore and conduct experiments. Have you seen this before? This is a rocket. A vehicle that blasts off to carry payloads into space. Do you recognize this celestial body? This is the Moon. Earth's satellite that shines brightly at night and influences tides. What is this bright object in space? This is a star. A glowing ball of gas in space, like the sun. Can you identify this? This is a space shuttle. A spacecraft designed to carry astronauts and equipment to space. Do you know what this is? This is a planet. A large celestial body that orbits a star in space. What is this bright ball of fire in the sky? This is the sun. The star at the center of our solar system, providing light. What is this sparkling band in the sky? This is the Milky Way. A galaxy containing our solar system and billions of stars. What is this dusty trail in space? This is a comet. A space object with a glowing tail made of ice and dust. Can you identify this rocky object in space? This is an asteroid. A rocky object that orbits the sun, found mostly in the asteroid belt. What is this streak of light in the sky? This is a meteor. A small rock burning up as it enters Earth's atmosphere. Do you know what this is? This is a space station. A large spacecraft where astronauts live and work in space. Have you seen this before? This is a telescope. A tool that helps to see distant objects in space more clearly. Can you identify this device? This is a satellite. A machine orbiting Earth, sending data and helping with communication. Do you know where astronauts live in space? This is a space module. A part of a space station where astronauts sleep and work. Do you recognize this planet with rings? This is Saturn. A planet known for its stunning, wide, and bright rings. What is this red planet? This is Mars. The red planet, famous for its reddish appearance and exploration missions. Can you identify this ice giant? This is Neptune. A cold, blue planet located far from the Sun in our system. Do you know what this dwarf planet is? This is Pluto. A small, distant dwarf planet located in the outer reaches of space. What is this huge gas giant? This is Jupiter. The largest planet in our solar system, known for its great storms. What is this bright explosion in space? This is a supernova. An exploding star that shines brightly, often outshining entire galaxies. What is this black void in space? This is a black hole. A region in space where gravity is so intense, nothing escapes. Can you identify this cloud of dust and gas? This is a nebula. A cloud of dust and gas where new stars are formed. What is this movement in the sky? This is a solar eclipse. Occurs when the moon blocks the sun from view on Earth. What is this long, bright streak in the sky? This is a shooting star. A meteor burning up in Earth's atmosphere, creating a bright streak. What is this light show in the sky? This is an aurora. Colorful lights in the sky seen near the poles, caused by particles. What is this dark shadow over the moon? This is a lunar eclipse. When Earth's shadow falls on the moon, darkening it temporarily. What is this force that pulls objects in space? It's gravity. It's the force that pulls objects towards each other, like Earth pulling on the moon. What is this exploration vehicle? This is a rover. A robot vehicle designed to explore planetary surfaces and conduct experiments. Did you enjoy learning about space? Explore more exciting videos on our channel, and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!